All right, you guys, I am back. Okay, I grabbed another glass because I may need it for those mangoes, but everything is just like we left it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to kind of continue on with adding in some of this stuff. Let's get some crackers on here, y'all. Okay, these are the pretzels, y'all, and I'm going rustic in with this. I am not. Let me pull this in some, y'all. I'm just going in rustic. Let's put some nuts down here. I love pistachios, y'all. Don't y'all just love pistachios? I've already been these, they are delish. Y'all see what I got going on? Let me see, y'all see that? Maybe I should turn it that way. Okay, maybe that'd be better. Kind of facing y'all a little bit instead of facing me, because y'all got this angle. Maybe that'd be better. Okay, so I'm gonna just go in. I need to get this chicken salad on here, and I try and find something that everybody likes. My husband loves chicken salad. I could really leave this in the container just like this, y'all. I truly, really could. Now, but if I wanted to add, could do that. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do, y'all. Make it cute for y'all. Make it nice for y'all. As nice as I can get it, you know. Okay. Like I say, I'm going to keep these containers and stuff, and hey, and let it do what it do, y'all. Let it do what it do. Let it do what it do. All right, y'all. How is that looking? Is it looking okay? Let's get some more fruit. Now, I like mango, so I like these. I don't know who else like them, but I do. Like I said, I'm trying to get something that everybody likes. How many of y'all make charcuterie boards? Do y'all enjoy them as much as I do? I love making these. Trying to decide how I want to do this. You know what, I'm going to do like this. I was going to try and stand them up in something. And I might still will do that, but let's see. About as tall as the glass, right, y'all? Oh, y'all, I got so much more stuff. Goodness gracious. I don't like that like that. I'm going to go ahead and do it like this. You see, you're going to have to play with it and get it to look like you want it to look, y'all. Okay, so let's see. What are these? These are the other, yeah. still haven't put my cheese bread up there. Gotta do that. And I'm gonna put some of these around this here where this chicken salad is. These crackers here. And these are garlic and cheese crackers. Crisp, actually. Have y'all seen these before? Authentic. Oh, it's flatbread. I love flatbread. Alright, now how many of y'all like prosciutto? I love prosciutto. But I don't normally get it already, you know, wrapped like this right here with the cheese and stuff. Actually, store I went to was out of a lot of stuff. So I kind of had to make do, y'all, and get what I could get. I think I messed up opening this up, y'all. There it is. So these are prosciutto rolls. Sliced fresh mozzarella prosciutto, fresh basil. I absolutely love prosciutto. I was talking to a friend of mine about the prosciutto. And my friend is just not a fan. Well, actually, that's not even true. My friend won't even try it. Won't even try it, y'all. Won't even try it. And I'm like, come on. Really? And won't even try it. And I'm like, it is delicious. You're really missing out. So, but hey, my husband don't like it either. But it's delicious, y'all. Have y'all tried it before? I love it. It's fattening now. Yup, it is. But it's absolutely delicious. Trying to separate them. I don't want somebody coming up here getting all the prosciutto. And prosciutto is expensive. But I get it though. I get it. I love it. It's so good. That's my daughter, y'all. Alright, so we got that. Don't mess with my camera. Oh, you gonna have to wait. She's looking over here at what I got going on. Y'all look at this. This is a lot, right? So, you know, I may not even use all my other stuff, y'all. You just do what you do. Do what you do. Now, y'all, I was looking for the cheese that comes, you know, sliced already, y'all. The little trays that have the different, you know, kinds of cheese. But they didn't have it. And so, I'm just looking back here to make sure everything is good with my recording. But, yeah, they did not have it. I was so disappointed because I always buy that. You know, it's already, y'all know what I'm talking about? Little squares of cheese, little slices of cheese, little cute little, and they just didn't have it, and I was so disappointed. Now this is, let me see, I think I'm gonna have to, I know I'm gonna have to slice this. I went on and bought it because you gotta have cheese. I got the spreadable cheese there, but I wanted this. Let me just push this back real quick. Y'all, I might keep this pomegranate. I love these, y'all. And I might make a beverage out of it. I'm not sure. I was going to add it on here, but, you know, it's so full that I really don't have a lot of space left. I'm just going to kind of cut them in fours like that. Smells divine, y'all. Smells really, really good. I'm just gonna go in and stash them in wherever I can. Okay. See, I know I moved it, y'all. Y'all probably can't get a good angle on it like, you know, y'all was able to see before. I'm gonna turn it back. I'm sorry about that. There we go, y'all. I still have this left, which I think I'm gonna just hold off on that. And this is what we'll do. We'll make it with this, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and put some Ritz on here for just in case nobody don't want these kinds of crackers out. Because I know my husband and my daughter, you know, they be kind of picky. Where shall I put this, y'all? Where shall I put this? There we go. Just like that. Now, but what I will add to this, y'all, will be the last things that I add. I will go in and add a few pieces of some type of sweet something in here, y'all. Just to, you know, have that little sweetness that you want maybe after dinner or something. Just a couple of these, a few of these stashed just throughout. Yeah, my husband loves these. The white chocolate Reese's. I like the regular Reese's, so I'm trying to put something that everybody wants. Just a couple of them, not much. Alright, and that's going to be it, y'all. What y'all think about this? Y'all like it? How did it come out? Like I say, I didn't even get a chance to put some cookies up here. Now, I really want to use these cookies because I need to be trying to get rid of them. You know? You have so much stuff and you don't sometimes encourage them to eat it or, get rid of it. It'll just kind of sit. And I don't want it to do that. I want them to eat this stuff and get rid of it. Alright, how about that, y'all? Alright. And like if this was bigger or whatever, y'all, what you want to do is just kind of fill in the little holes and spots and stuff. And you can even put like greeneries and stuff in here, like the different leafy veggies and stuff like that. To be really nice or whatever. Just kind of get creative with it. Alright, y'all. I think this is going to be it for me with my charcuterie board, y'all. I hope y'all like it. Thank y'all so much for watching my channel. Like I say, I just want to come on real quick and do this video for y'all. I've been saying I want to do a charcuterie board for the longest, and I always want to try and follow through on some things when I speak on it. So I just want to let you all know that I am enjoying your comments, and if you all need to get in contact with me about something, just leave a comment, and I'll do my best to try and answer them the best that I can. Well, thank you all so much for watching my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Good night.